Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL 406 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first open the settings, then select accounts and click on add account. Now choose Google. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. Then click on next. And it's time to enter the password. So let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Okay, so let me re-enter it. So once the password is entered, you can mark if this device is yours or if it belongs to your kid and click on next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Go through all of them, through all documents, and if you do agree, tap on I agree. Actually, you have no other option to go further with the process. Well, that's it. From now on, as you can see, your account is added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.